Rua Três do Bairro華大 華大新村第三街 Slices of Macau. Of Macau on street display. So many streets of Macau with their own world going on. Oh, Bairro華大, Bairro華大, merchants of China, merchants of
Okay, this is called the 3rd Street of the Barrio of華大, and this is what it looks like. Just to give you a little context of it, we're going to walk down it and kind of give you an idea, and we're also at the border. So the border is right over there, so I'll try to get some context of where we are. So that's the border to Zhuhai, China, right there. Tons and tons of people. So this is going to be our target street. Let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. So yeah, that's the 3rd Street right here. We have a ton of people. Let me just kind of step back a little bit. So now you can see all these people kind of coming and going. This street right here is kind of the main street. I know I usually will film this one, and I don't think I film these side streets very often. But you do have, look at the crowds. So that's going to be our street. We're going to go down it in a moment. But before we do, let's just take a look at this. This is kind of crazy. So just crowds and crowds of people. And the border is way up there, that building that's way up there. So this is just kind of the beginning part. Yeah, it's crazy. Okay. Yeah, it's so interesting. It's a Wednesday right now. Let's get a little bit closer because it's just so interesting. So yeah, those are the arrivals. The people are coming from all the different directions too. Okay. So kind of interesting, very interesting. So we're gonna follow through. Let's just navigate like this. Okay, so our target street is this little one right here. This is such a different feel from the rest of Macau. It feels like you're in China, basically. That's the feeling it is. And a lot of people here are just going back and forth. There's tons of people shopping, last minute stuff. So that's our target. Let me go up to that target street real quick.
这里，我在这里。
So there it is right there. Três, the Ba Thai neighborhood. So we're gonna walk in and just see what that's all about. And there's it's Três. Três is a Portuguese word for three. There's also the Chinese word for three, but there's actually 4 of these streets. So the 3rd street is the one that's parallel and closest to the border right there. The shops. We'll just kind of see what shops we have here. I think there's like selling all kinds of stuff. I think wine, supermarket. I think a lot of people will buy all these. Like there's a bunch of like bulk of M&Ms and butter cookies and liquor and wine. All kinds of different shops. There's a small restaurant. Let me just see what that restaurant is. So this looks kind of like a fusion food. That looks like kind of like minchi stuff that this is kind of popular in Macau. Portuguese sausage and is that olive in it? Yeah. So, hello. So, oh, that's the menu. Oh, we got okay, fried rice. Oh, good prices. Oh, you got macaroni too. Okay. Okay. Ah, thank you. The macaroni is very like Portuguese-ish, so you can get like hot soups with, instead of like pasta noodles or whatever, ramen noodles, you can get macaroni as well. Hennessy. You see lots of different palettes, different stuff like that. More liquors, Mo Tai, Hennessy. Lots of so a lot of people will buy this stuff before they go across the border. Yeah, just tons and tons of stuff. So yeah, that's that busy, crowded area up there. Yeah, there's like pallets of stuff. I guess they come in off pallets. There's even like a little thing bringing in pallets of stuff. So yeah, it's crazy. Cars parked illegally up here, boxes. They can collect the cardboard and get money out of those too. So I think we're seeing some of that. Yeah, it's like just bringing in all the pallets as well too, right? Okay. So this particular street right here is called Hua Va Thai. And then this is 2 and 1. So we're on the 3rd street. So let me just kind of give a little bit of context to this. So yeah, this is this whole little Va Thai neighborhood. Then up there is actually the street, Hua Va Thai. Get a lot of people watching me over in this area. And I think partially because it could be like illegal activity, and partially because it's a lot of mainland Chinese who are not too familiar with foreigners. So this kind of goes right up to the border there too. So I'm going to film each of these streets individually and separately. Oops, we got like 2 baby things here. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking down. It's interesting too, like in this area, because when you're filming, a lot of people will look away as if they're doing something illegal, which is a little bit disturbing. Let me see, here's some pig skin noodles, more pig skin. It smells good. I don't eat pig skin, but okay. So we're gonna go right out to the end of the street. And then you kind of get a context a little bit of what it looks like. See how the border is like right there. I think I am going into all these pallets and stuff like that. So yeah, this is kind of like 1, 2, 3, so 3 different streets in this area. And Let's just kind of go up to the base of it, and then we're gonna end it. And that's what the third street of the Bairro, right up there is the name of the street right there. Okay, slice of Macau there for you.